Hey everyone. Well, I got a package. It's from Mama O's. I didn't announce it yet, but I was one of the 100s who were chosen to receive this package and to make kimchi with Sun Young Longus. So I'm excited. I'm rocking it. And you guys are going to see what comes in this package. Korea travel and info tips. Looks like a nice little package here. I was getting worried. I actually contacted him because it's supposed to happen on the 30th. Yeah, safe travel in Korea. K-Style Hub, where smart travelers begin. Easy and convenient travel cards. Oh, has some pass. It's got an M pass. That's pretty nice. Discover Seoul Pass. Yeah. Korean mobile services, fast, easy, and convenient. And discover tasty alleys of Korea. Last time I was in Korea was in the 80s. Yeah, in the 80s. That's been a long time. And it's kind of funny because 3rd Battalion, 5th Marines was a spearhead during the Korean War. And anyway, we flew in there. We were doing 3rd Battalion, I was with 3rd Battalion, 5th Marines. And we did the first rotation ever done to Okinawa. And then we flew into Philippines and Korea. And we got to Korea. Oh man, we're standing on the tarmac, and they kept moving us because some general wanted to take a picture because it's the first time that 3-5 had been back as a unit since the Korean War. And I guess they teach their schools about it. But, and what's cool about all this is it's funny because I recently just got in touch with a major from my unit, and he actually is in touch with Colonel Hurricane Hayes and Sergeant Major Sledge Spencer. And they got reasons behind their names, but anyway, but yeah, they had us out on the tarmac and they kept moving us so some generals or newspapers or whoever could take a picture. I mean, there was 1,200 of us. And finally, our colonel said, officers like to call each other by first names. And I distinctly remember him saying, Jim, I'm not moving them again because you try to move 1,200 people even a few feet. I mean, we were reinforced, so that's a big thing. But so we moved just a little bit, and next thing you know, here come all these buses, and they pulled up, and all these high school girls got out, and they put leis around our neck and said, "Welcome to Korea," and it was just awesome. Then they took us and showed us a pyramid. Bet you didn't know they had pyramids in Korea, did you? They do. But they showed us pyramid and fed us and everything. It was awesome, you know. Um, because if we would not have intervened and gone into the Korean War as we did, most likely they would, well, not most likely, they would be under North Korean rule, communist rule. So they love us over there. Anyway, let's see what else is in here. Explore hidden alleyways and stroll along the sea. Cool little books. Making reservations, departing. If you like sunrise, sunset, and travel back in time, this is all true. Every bit of it. I can tell you now. That's pretty nice. And then we have the Mama O's Premium Homemade Kimchi Kit. www.kimchirules.com. And what happened, Sun Young Long is, she partnered with visitkorea.us on this thing. I think it's going to be like a class. So I'm excited. Now, if I can remember how she opened it. Because I know she was having a little bit of a workout opening it. It was kind of funny. So I'm just showing y'all what comes in the kit here. Can y'all see? Mama O's Premium Vegan Kimchi Paste. Now, I bet you didn't know that regular kimchi is not vegan, did you? Come on, admit it. You didn't know. It's not. Because a lot of the regular kimchi will have fish sauce in it. It will have the tiny shrimp that are they were, I don't know how you call it, but yeah, they got these little bitty shrimp that are come in a jar, and to give it flavored. But we're gonna do an actual vegan one, and Sun Young's gonna teach us how to do it. And this is a cap. And then got the rubber gloves. Now, take the top off of this. And it's got a little hole there that this burper goes in. When I was making wine, yes, I made wine. Pretty good wine too, from what everyone says. But I got one of these and it was crushed. So I went in and I found a bunch of them. It was like a package deal of like 15 or 20. I think I still got them in the back. I just ordered the whole thing. And this is your flake sea salt. And this is your instructions This would be fun. And I'm going to bet you Sun Young Lung is right now, Sun Young Nung is now practicing so she can teach us. That should be it should be fun and it should be interesting. But we're not just going to be making kimchi. We're going to be making a few other things. So, and I'm not sure how it's going to play out. If they're going to, because I know it's going to be over Zoom. And I don't know if it's going to be live for everyone or if it's going to be recorded and then put on her website and everything. I'm not sure how it's going to work. So we shall find out, but it's going to happen on the 30th at 6 o'clock. Yeah, 6 o'clock PDT, which is Pacific Daylight Time. So I'm all stoked about it. And like I say, everyone was so nice when I inquired about the kit. I said, what do we do if it's time for the show and we don't have the kit yet? And they were so nice. They says, let us check on it. And they checked on it. And they says it should be there today. And this was yesterday. And then today, and it didn't show up yesterday. And I thought, it has to be FedEx. And the reason I thought that was because I had an order from the military exchange. It was supposed to be here Monday and didn't get here till yesterday through FedEx. They had some kind of issue going on. I don't know what. And so when I messaged them today and I said it never arrived, and they said, let us check. And they said, oh, it says in transit. And I mean, they were super nice and answered me in just minutes and stuff. And sure enough, maybe an hour later, it showed up and it was FedEx. And they gave me a tracking number too. And so I told them I figured it was FedEx because they had that issue the day before yesterday and yesterday. And I don't know what it was. They didn't explain, but they were behind like a day. So now I can breathe a sigh of relief because I'll be able to participate like everybody else. Okay. So y'all don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and tell me to shake a leg or whatever and leave comments. And don't forget to like because that helps me out. And I'm fixing to go as soon as the grocery store lets me know that the items that I requested are ready. Then I'll go up and get them. And then I'm going to have to move a table in here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do. I think what I'm going to do is put my live cam, since it's going to be through Zoom, on that door right there. this one. And I'm going to open it up so they can see me in the kitchen making this. And I'm probably going to run that table long ways so I can come over and see what's going on my computer screen, because there's no way that I can move that computer. I mean, there's just, I've got cameras that I'm testing, and well, there's just both of those screens there. They both work, and to take them apart would be a little by myself, and move the screens out somehow where I could see them. I don't know. Yeah, I've been thinking about it. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but one way or another, I'll figure it out, and I'm going to record it also. I got my 3 cameras ready. And so, yeah, I'm going to put this all back. Nice and neat. So that nothing happens to it. I don't think anybody in where I live knows I'm a YouTuber. There's only a few people. So it's going to be funny. You even might get to see my face on TV, on YouTube. I'm sure you will, but I mean, because, well, we'll see how it goes. I don't know how, everything's going to go, but I'm excited, and I'm all getting set up. Maybe I'll have I'm not sure, both screens going, and I'll have 3 cameras going. And so I'll be doing this all myself again. So it should be funny. It'll be fun, no matter what. So y'all be sure and tune in to me to watch this. Worst on the longest. I'll put her link in this video as well. Of course I will. And I'll put Mama O's, and I'll put visitkorea.us. I'd love to go back to Korea. I had a great time when I was there. So anyway, if you're in a warm place, go swimming. If you're in a cold place, snuggle up, or find a warm place to go swimming. And y'all stay safe, and we will see you soon, hopefully on the 30th. But I'm going to also finish up one of the tests that I've been doing before then and get it out, because I promised him I'd get it out. And so y'all stay safe, and we'll see you then. Love y'all. Bye.